Hey everybody, it's morning. My family's still sleeping, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got my inserts. Now a lot of you guys get way better inserts than I do, and some of you guys get even worse inserts where I do. I am working on a video where I get my inserts and all that jazz, so be prepared. I'm going to hopefully post that this week. I'm really crossing my fingers for that. So let's just dig in the Retail Me Not. So we got some Ice Mountain coupons, so that's a great deal. $5 off any 3 Tresemme. Here we got buy one hair care. You get buy one of these, you get men's or kids. Oh, it excludes Suave. Why does it say exclude Suave Men? Isn't that Suave Men? I don't know. Oh, so buy one of these, not men's, and then you get this men's one for free. Okay. Thank you for claiming for that. I know they do have ones that are like $2.99 for these, or $1.99, so be on the lookout for that. Here we got some more Suave coupons. $1 off of 2 body wash. Now everybody gets different ones, but I got $1 off of 2. 75 cents off of Secret. Here we got $1 off of Kids. I'm super excited for this coupon because I can get those for like 88 cents. Can't believe it's not butter. Yes. Here we got St. Ives, Pond's, Noxzema, all the deodorant. Here we got buy one Simple Wipes, get a cleanser free. Sorry you guys, I'm getting sick from my stupid garage sale. It was like cold outside. Here we got a Little Debbie, 75 cents off of Turtle Brownies. I've never seen a Little Debbie coupon ever, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, look at that outfit. And it comes in 7 pretty colors, you guys. 7. Look at those. Just, she looks so happy to wear that outfit. Just, oh, my goodness. $4 off of Lamisil. And then here we got the olives. I hope Ibotta brings that deal back. So, I don't know. My Retail Me Not was a fail. Here is Smart Source. Here we got $6 off of 2 Copper Tone. That's a great coupon, so definitely try to use that. $2 off of 1. Here we got $2.50 or $1.50 off of Jergens. Old Wisconsin. I don't think anybody gets that stuff, but I do. $1 off Miracle Whip, Kraft, Ragu. $3, $1.50, 50 cents, $1.50 off of Scrubbing Bubbles. Here we got $3 off of razors. $3 off of those razors. Wholesome Smoothie. Never seen those before. Blue Ribbon Ice Cream. $1 off Mitchum. Yay, I did get those Rubbermaid. I'm not used to getting these Rubbermaid. But here you can get the Rubbermaid with the lids for $2 off. And then here you can get it off a pitcher, a mixer mate. I don't know if it works for those little things, but we'll see. Blue Diamond. Buy one, get one of Wishbone. That's kind of cool. Here we got $2 off the marshmallows, the graham crackers, and the chocolate. I plan on making s'mores with my son. $1 off of, don't even know how to pronounce that. $3 off, yep, there's that. Here we got $2 off of Revlon and $1 off of other Revlon. Oxy. Nice shirt for $10.99. Yep, General Savings. Worthless. She needs help. Somebody please help her. These are just worthless ads. And then here I got more chic stuff. So that is what I got in my inserts. It is lame. Like I said, super lame, but I wanted to share with you guys what I get. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.